Farewell to Pajinka Boulders. I'm just leaving there now. I'm going to head over to Cairns and then I'll go up to Cooktown. Yeah. What a beautiful place. I met some nice people there. Cameron and Alicia and Macy and Billy. Yeah, I'm just going to head up to Cairns now. It's only 39 minutes away from where I am at the moment. I'm kind of just winging it. I'm going to stop in at Cairns and have a good look around and check the map, get wiki camps out, find the next spot. Have a look out here. I love this sort of scenery. We get back to driving, we'll talk soon. So this guy here at Tyres and Trailer Spares, man, helping me out. He knows his shit. Look, I'm getting my whole new brakes on the trailer. So Mick, yeah, I don't know how much it's going to cost you, thousands. Because I'm rough, slow, inexpensive, but this guy's got me sorted. I think it's going to come in handy because the trailer's pushing me ute along a little bit when I need to pull up. Anyway, I just seen these people from Cape Tribulation. They had a van and I just asked them a question, and I think I'm going to head up to the Lion's Den pub tonight to camp. Yeah, sounds alright to me. I was on the Savannah Way and I was heading out to the Lion's Den Hotel. I have a site booked there, but I realised that it's taken me on the inland trail and I was going to have to bypass the Daintree rainforest altogether, and I didn't want to do that, so I had a quick look on Google Maps and it was like 2 hours back. So I've decided I'm going to turn around and then I want to get myself through the Daintree. Yeah, I think we're doing good. I'm going up on the coast, which I wanted to do, and I'll come back inland. Stay tuned, I'll keep you posted. I think I've got to go back through that wiggly track. Wicked! Well, here I am in Clifton Shopping Village. There's a news agency and they have just what I was after. $1.25 with the trailer. See ya.
When you get to the tip, like when you come out on the beach.
Right to the tip, yeah.
Right to the beach, yeah. There's
you got to walk there though.
No, you can drive right there. There's all
there.
these abandoned shacks and shit.
Yep.
Get on the beach, turn left, run right down the beach until you hit this end of the beach, and there's a little creek and a river.
Sick.
There's an awesome camp spot there. You'll be the only one there.
The tidal come in around you. You'll be on an island with crocs around.
Make sure you don't run it on low tide, man.
It's all good. At low tide. We camped there. It's all fine.
Yeah.
We caught barra in the creek there. We caught mud crabs off the thing and ate.
Wow.
We caught mud crab oysters and ate food that we caught off that fucking thing.
Hey, I fucking know you blokes.
Here he is.
Small world, look at these fuckers. Yeah. So just keep cruising.
Keep cruising, bro.
Fucking told ya. And to the police officer that pulls me over, this is for you. This is my only one, mate. Okay?
Alright.
Leave me alone. This is just fantastic. I've crossed the Daintree River and everything, and absolutely amazing. I've got to get to Lion's Den Hotel. Apparently there'll be a big party there tonight. Yeah. First little river crossing, Trev. This is the Cowie range. It's 31% gradient. I've got it in low range, 3rd gear. Sharp turn, look. Luana Creek. Interesting. I made it alive, but anyway, I went through Wudju. Now I'm on the main road, just gone past Bloomfield River. That sun's directly in my face, hence the hat and the glasses. Anyway, this is absolutely beautiful country, just magic. I'm really happy that I'm doing this trip. Anyway, I've booked in a site at the Lion's Den Hotel. I'm half hour away, mate, and I can't wait to get out there. I just spoke with this Sheila named Cassie. I'm going to catch up with her when I'm there. She's working at the place, I'll have you know. I'm at Mount Louis Station. Wow, what a friggin' epic journey so far. I might stay here for 2 days. I've got my brakes. I got new brakes for your trailer, Meg. $200. Gotta have them. I should have put them on before, but anyway, I'll put them on at the Lion's Den. I'm gonna get on it tonight. Anyway, peace.
In 600 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Going up in the Lion's Den, ordering a dinner. We got chicken palmy tonight, live music.
That's my whole life.